Let's make this handprint earth for Earth Day. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Supplies you'll need are scissors, a paintbrush, glue, red paper, a paper plate, green and blue paint. Start off by painting a hand green. Press down and stamp your hand on the plate. Paint your hand again and stamp it in a different spot on the plate. Then repeat this step until you have enough green on the plate. Next, paint the rest of the paper plate blue. I'm leaving some parts white so that it will look like clouds. The last part is to cut out a heart, write a message, and glue it to your earth. And this is the final product. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.